what are some of the things, reasons why you think global investors are investing in these Indian startups?
So, see, in investor community, everybody has seen this. So you know that Ola, Uber, Zomato, they just came 10 years before only. Okay. So the investors who have invested at the very early stage in these startups have become billionaire now.
Mm,
So they have captured a big market and they have disrupted the Indian market by coming to India, like Amazon. So there was no Amazon before. So
right.
when Amazon came, then the Flipkart came. It was like e-commerce disruption came. The thing came. So I
Mm,
think they become billionaire. So now every investor is finding opportunity in India to invest and to be into the success party of these startups. So this is one of the reason why investors are investing. Then obviously government support, as I told you, investor favorable environment is here. Then see, this is the India's time, I tell you, because see, if I compare the China's time is over. It's already
mhm.
developed. Now this is the India's time. It started 10 years back and it will be there for 20 more years because in India there are so many challenges which is untapped. Okay, so there are still lot of opportunity for making the startups, making the innovative solution and making business out of it.
Mhm.
So it's India's time is still 20 more years and it's a wealth creation time for the investor to invest in India. So yes, these are the why the global investors are investing in India. Is this is the destination where you have a large consumer base. Whatever you start, you have the consumer base. Whatever
Yeah.
you start here.
Yeah.
So yes.